In this video, you're going to learn how to add a YouTube card to a video. And adding a card just like this that links back to your website is a great way to convert leads and generate sales from your YouTube videos. Now you can also use these cards to add links to YouTube playlists or other videos, or even prompt viewers to make a donation. So they are a fantastic way for you to really get your viewer to take an action and engage with your videos. Now, to add cards to your YouTube videos, you first must need to upload the video. So we add these cards afterwards. So in order to access videos that you've uploaded, you want to come into your YouTube channel, click on the icon in the top right hand corner, then come down into the Creator Studio and click then into your Video Manager. Here in the Video Manager, you're going to see even videos that you may have scheduled. So it can be a good idea to schedule your videos until you've added the card, if that is something that you've mentioned in the video, like check out the video linked above, etc. So to add the cards, find the video first and then click on Edit. Then you can see that there are a number of tabs across the top here. We want to come across to the card section. And then we really want to start by deciding where we're going to add this card. Now, if you are linking off to another video, you may have mentioned that in your video and said, if you want to learn more about that, check out this video and it'll be linked above. Or you may just, at the start of the video, encourage people to check out your website. So we can move this bar to really set the time that we want the card to appear. And you can add multiple cards if you want. But in this example, I'm just going to add a card that pops up after 4 seconds. Add the card here as a link to my website. And now to enable a link to your website, you do need to have associated your website to your YouTube channel. And if you've done that, it's going to appear up here. If you haven't done that, you can just click through and you're going to see the option in settings here to add that associated website. And it'll walk you through all the steps to really do that and have that success and green light show up. So if you do want to link back to a website, you can go ahead and do that. If not, you can use one of the options here to link to a channel if you just want to practice this. So I'm going to link to a website, insert the website and click next. Now we have to put in the card title, a call to action and the teaser text. So if we go back to this example that's already done, we can see that this is the title, this is the call to action. And in fact, the teaser text, if I just show you what that looks like, this should pop out after a couple of seconds up here like that. So this is something you want to get somebody's attention. So let's put in something like want to learn more. And the call to action, we can just put in, okay, something like that. To create the card then, just go ahead and click create. This image will be pulled from the website, but you can change the image if you want to use a specific one for the card. So I'm going to go ahead and click create the card. And now if we play the video, we can see it right here in the Video Manager, how it appears. So maybe move it back to the start. And there we go. It says, want to learn more. And if we click this open, it is a link back to my website, and that'll help generate leads and sales from my YouTube videos. So now it's your turn. Come into your Video Manager and across to the tab for cards and add a card to your website or a channel or to promote a video or playlist that you have created.